What's up, y'all? The other day I posted a video using a block and a wall for dead bug, and that is in case somebody's having any pain, discomfort in the groin area. Maybe they've been labeled with SPD. It's a really good modification. So here's what that looks like with bird dog, or a bird dog modification. So bird dog, right, you start in tabletop, wrist under your elbows, under your shoulders, soft elbows, knees right under your hips, and back feet are a little closer together. You're going to take the block, or you can even use a gorgeous ball. Either one works. You're going to put this in between your legs and find kind of what works for you. Different distances work for different legs. So we are here, even just breathing here is good. You can try some pelvic tilts here. I always like that one. Notice I'm having to keep the ball in between my legs, or the block. And then I find spinal neutral. There you go. Inhale, stabilize, move your arm through its whole motion on the exhale. Give that a try.